Mr. President. Sri Lanka noted with some degree of amusement that the EU, the United Kingdom, Ireland and France were all cheering on the notion of an international inquiry into allegations of human rights violations conducted by all sides, as they put it, to the Sri Lankan conflict. So here's the deal. Sri Lanka will be prepared, I think, to regard this a little more charitably if we start from human rights situations that precede the Sri Lankan conflict. Let France institute an impartial, independent inquiry into the millions of deaths in so-called French Indochina and then in Algeria, including those who were submitted to electroshock during the Battle of Algiers. Let it also have an independent inquiry into the disappearance of Mehdi Ben Barka from the streets of Paris and possible complicity of all sorts of personalities in that disappearance. Let Great Britain and Ireland have an international inquiry into the events of Bloody Sunday 1972 in Londonderry, where there was no fog of war, unlike in the closing stages of the Sri Lankan conflict, but dead civilians were strewn on the streets of Londonderry, and after 2 commissions of inquiry, the only result has been the promotion of every single soldier who was there on that day, and the commanding officer being given some sort of honors by Her Majesty the Queen. Now, if these countries set an example to Sri Lanka and submit their own conduct to so-called impartial or independent international inquiries of the sort that they have commended us, Sri Lanka would be ready to regard their suggestions